Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to change aspect ratio in Shotcut. So this is a quick way. First of all, you will just have to import in your video you want to change aspect ratio. We will move in the top is the settings option. Just tap, and as you can see, there is an option of video mode. So we will just get in the last. There is an option custom, and just tap add. After, you will just have to give the name of sequence what you will like, and you will just have to adjust resolution and aspect ratio. So I want to just uh 9 by 16 ratio. So we will just type manually, and you will just have to okay. So as you can see, so the second step, you want to just adjust it. You will just move in this plus filter option and just type size and select this one, size, position, rotate. After, you will just have to the four corners as you can see, and you will just have to adjust it half, or you will just have to adjust it on the full. So in this way you will just have to completely change aspect ratio in Shotcut. Thank you so much for watching.